This is the Benu Scepter fountain pen. The pen comes in a white cardboard box. It has the Benu logo embossed in a gold color on the top. That box lid will lift off. The pen comes in a sleeve, has the Benu logo. There is an ink cartridge, like an oversized standard international cartridge, as well as information about the Benu pen. And inside, of course, we have the Benu Scepter fountain pen. This happens to be number 6, which is a sparkling silver kind of metallic look with gold specks or flakes is integrated into it. It has a black ring with Benu on the center of the pen. The pen also has kind of a wider towards the ends with a spiral twist on it. I don't know if you can see, but it's not just completely round, so it won't roll. It has little flat shapes that kind of spin on the pen as well. The cap is threaded and will unscrew. It's not a postable pen. It's a decent size, big back on the pen with a black section, a stainless steel gold colored nib on this particular version of the pen. And it has a black feed. It is a cartridge converter style pen, so the section will unscrew. And an ink converter is included with the pen. You can also use standard international cartridges as well. Benu is a great brand out of Russia. It makes some real interesting designs and some great resins as well. Get your Benu Scepter fountain pen at penchalet.com.